So today we're going to do Gele 101. So I'm going to be a tutor and you're going to be a student. Okay. So the first thing I want to talk about, you remember when we come back from a party, some people, they will fold their Gele and put it back on the shelf or on whatever that you keep your stuff. Do not do that. When you come back home after you tie your Gele, make sure you open your Gele. Spread it. You can spread it in the bathroom. You can lay it on your bed or maybe on a couch. So that way it's going to air out, it's going to breathe. You remember you already tied and it's been there since maybe 2, 3, 4 hours. It depends how much you spend on your party. And the next thing that I'm going to talk about is how to take care of your Gele. You remember when we tie Gele, especially if you're struggling with your Gele, because I know how it is if you started learning and the makeup will get it into Gele on the edges like that. You don't need to water. You can just clean it. Like, you don't need to do it right away, or if you have the time right away, you come and you can do it. But I would rather spread it first, let it air out, and then the next step you can do it anytime, maybe a day after or whatever that you after. What you're gonna need is just the water. You put water in a container like that, and you're gonna need either Palmolive or Dawn. I use both. It doesn't matter. It depends what I have in my app. So this is Palmolive. You can use Dawn. You can use Palmolive. And you just, with just a little bit, you just put it in the water, like so. And after that, you just spread your Gele. And then you're going to dig a towel like that. And then you just dig it. This Gele doesn't have anything on it, but I'm just demonstrating. So you just you spread it so that way you can see everything, and you just clean it. You just clean it, just like so. You just clean it, and afterward, you just spread it. So it's going to air it out. So by the time you're ready to wear it, you don't have to worry. Oh, if I tie my Gele this way, the makeup on the Gele is going to be showing. No, you'll be ready to go. And the next class, I'm gonna talk about how we can iron our Gele. You remember when you tie the Gele, be rough, you be thinking, oh my God, how am I going to? And I want to say thank you for being a friend, for subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to